Snow battered the cabin, shrouding the world in white. Huddled by the fire, I tried to ignore the voices threading through the wind, soft, insistent whispers calling my name. I pressed my hands to my ears, but they only grew louder, promising warmth, safety, love. Heart pounding, I cracked the door. The blizzard howled, revealing shadowy figures gliding between the trees, their faces pale and eyes hollow. They beckoned. I slammed the door, but frost crept across the wood, spelling my name in delicate crystals. The whispers seeped through the walls. I realized I was never alone here.